explanation or the graphics about the ministry exam, in which year, which subject, which unit is, what percent is asked from 2015, 16, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, and then still 19 not concluded. That's why it is not included. You will see this, and then you are going to get, yes, what is the percentage, which chapter is covered more compared to the other one. And then you are going to read some suggestions from graduates, from starting from 2018 graduates, how they succeeded, what did they do correct while studying, what should they have done correct for a better result. You are going to read these pages. This is a very good suggestions. Because 12th grade students getting familiar with the ministry just after they got the exam. That's why you shouldn't wait. Read them. Read these pages, and then get some information how to study for ministry exams. And then after that, you are going to see, I will explain the things according to this malzeme, and I will start right 5 or 10 minutes later. I will explain it. But while you are studying the malzeme, you are going to see that after each titles, ministry exam questions are included. Yes, all ministry exam questions after each title you are going to see in this malzeme. So from 2013 till 2019, about that title, what is asked, and you will get familiar with ministry questions. No need to wait until the end of the year. After each title, you will see that. And also you are going to see some motivational quotes, also some suggestions again from some graduates while we are reading this malzeme. And I put some places empty. For example, this is one of the problem. In here, you are going to see that there is a empty space. In this empty space, you are going to solve them, okay? So you are going to read the problem. You will see them here. The answers are written. So you are going to check if you did correct answer or not. However, just after this page, you will see that the solutions. Yes, I also put the solutions, but just first you will try on your own, then you will check your solutions if correct or not. And same problems will be in one of the page, which is you are going to solve. On the next page, you are going to see your solutions. And this will make you to check if you did okay or not. And as I said, yes, ministry exam questions will include after each title. For example, this is another title. Just after another title, you will see the ministry exam questions again. So you have to solve them. You have to get familiar with the ministry questions. And also, we will give you a document which is test bank, which includes more than 1,300 questions. And even when you are studying this document, you will see that here is written something. Solve test bank test number 3. Solve test bank test number 4. So when you finish this title, which means you are ready to solve this test bank. Test bank is, let me show what a test bank is. This is the document which we are going to use next year. Test bank is, this is the test bank. Yeah, this is the test bank. As I said, it's updated for 2. So now we will do it some update. And after you finish the whole year, you are going to, of course, get one more document which is known as zero mistake physics document. This document also includes more than 1,000 questions, and they're a little harder compared to the test bank. So then these are the things which you are going to study during this physics. Some students are directly asking me, teacher, should we continue with the malzeme or the book? So after finishing each section, when I finish one section, so then you go and read the book. But before I finish the section, don't try, because really, if you didn't read the book before, in the 10th grade or 11th grade, so it will be hard for you to cover before listening the courses. So when I finish section 1, chapter 1, then read chapter 1, section 1 from your book. And then when I finish section 2, read from your book. When I finish section, read from your book. Go this way. So in this case, it will be much, much easier, and you are not going to waste so much time on the book, but I prefer students to read the book to feel more comfortable. Teacher, did you put all the important information in the book to the malzeme? Yes, even I put some information which is normally must be studied in the 10th, 11th grade, but it's not included in the 12th. So this is how we are going to study what we are going to study. After each section, you are going to get quizzes of 20 questions. I'm going to tell you when time comes, but your first quiz will come just after first section. First start with your malzeme. If you could succeed the malzeme, you succeed the revisions, because revisions are very important, daily revisions. We are not studying 10, 11th grade. Every day after each lesson, you have to revise the titles once, maybe twice, because no revision, no success, the key. After revision, if you observe that you have plenty of time, okay, let me do the malzeme, let me do the test bank. You can say that. In this case, we are going to provide you, but first test it, okay, if you could or not. Any more questions? Now listen, I'm going to explain the things according to this one, okay? So you should get that because you will follow the malzeme exactly the same what I explained on the screen. So after the school for revision, you can use anything you want, but first in the lesson you should follow me, okay? From that malzeme which will be given to you. So it depends on your, the speed, how you learn. Now we will go in details. We are not going to be hurry, but now I am planning minimum for, depending on your speed, it can be included 52. 9 chapters you have, however, some chapters are thicker. The volume is greater than the others. For example, chapter 9 only 4 lessons, for example. Chapter 8 is 2 sections. It takes 6 lessons. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 6, they have volume is a little thicker. Almost, yeah. As I said, it depends on your speed, because I'm not going to go so fast. We are not in a hurry. The thing is is clearly you should understand what I explained in the lesson.
Yeah,
that's the point.
That's right.